Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's start with our scene.
Sir,
Hmm.
sir, I have I'm like in my blocking uh, scene,
Hmm.
sir. But I need some help, sir. I've sent you the updated reference and the mood board. It has all the details.
I saw that.
Like
Yes, I checked it already. You changed your reference again. Huh.
yes, sir.
Hmm.
But this one is fine, sir. I will not change it again. This is final.
Okay. So, like, tell me, like, what help, what, you want? Tell me.
Sir, I am sir because uske like all the floorboards and the logs that are used to create the hut. Sir, I'm thinking a lot of it is modular, but I'm not able to divide it down.
Just give me a second. I open that. Guess I have saved it on desktop. Yes. Hmm. So this one is your main reference, right?
Yes, sir.
So in this, let's see, we have a lot of wooden logs. So this can be modular easily.
Yes,
And
sir. It's in this hut itself is a bit confusing, sir.
so like all these wooden logs are same. You can see clearly same same model.
Yes, sir. Sir, only
So
one is required then.
only one, but make sure it's like really good quality so that you can rotate and place it nicely.
Okay, sir.
Then this wooden planks and all you have to create, and this can be modular. Again, you can create only one section and duplicate place it.
Sir, so it will be a set of planks, right? 4, 5 planks.
Yeah, like you can, or you can create, like, because there is, I can see there is a like rotation, right? So you can create
Yes, sir.
two three planks, and then in Unreal group it together, then duplicate. That will be easy.
Okay, sir.
And same thing, if you create this plank, you can use it here also. You can see everywhere.
Yes, sir. So those planks are slightly smaller than the ones on the ground.
That we can scale it down in Unreal.
Okay, okay, sir. So we'll be using tileable because this texture in this game, sir,
Hmm.
it's stylized, but it's like between stylized and realistic.
Semi-realistic, huh? Semi-realistic.
Yes, yes, sir. So, sir, like, will I get tileable textures like that, or should I make my
No, no,
own?
no. You have to make it. Like you have to make it because this is like making this won't be very difficult. This is
Okay,
if you use Pixel Mixture, it's like super easy. I'll explain that how to use Pixel Mixture, how to create this texture and everything. It's super easy and simple, very straightforward process. So we
okay,
can
sir.
use that and create this thing. Only thing is, so okay. This is again tileable map. This can be a tileable map with blending with moss. Yes, that we can
Sir,
create.
the hanging grassy things on top of the shed.
Hmm.
Sir, like, what is that like cloth? Because it's moving also in the game. Like
It's a
it's
plane. It's a plane.
okay, sir.
It's a plane with a wind effect.
Okay, sir.
So we can create how, like, only thing, like whenever we are using a wind effect, we need to have decent amount of polygon like in that particular mesh. Otherwise, it won't like work properly. That's the only thing. So it's like plane with multiple
Okay, sir.
cuts.
Okay, sir.
And this says I can see like these are all modular, same thing repeating. repeating multiple times.
Sir, in this only the intersections will do. Like I don't have to put ropes and all there.
No, ropes and all. What you can do is either you can create this knot separately, or you can create this entire piece together, because this I can see this thing is repeating here also. One, two, three,
No,
one,
sir,
two.
that is a different thing.
No,
That is
no,
like a bunch of logs.
no, not this
Oh,
one.
okay, okay.
So this one, this one. So same thing
Okay,
repeating.
okay,
I can
sir.
just simply duplicate. You can see set of like two with
Hmm.
all the details. You can create one, duplicate here, duplicate all the sides. So it will become super
Okay,
easy.
sir.
So because our creating variation is not a very difficult task, because for this time we'll be using Megascan, this thing, Megascan plugin, and we'll generate all the maps and everything here. Most of the like all the huge areas will use tileable map
Hmm.
from Megascan, and for my unique assets or some specific design or something, those things will create within either this thing substance, or we can use it use this thing Quixel mixture. So both can we can use.
Okay, sir.
It's like
Sir,
super easy.
mixture mix.
uh,
Sir, mixture, you are referring to that material blend function, right?
no, Quixel mixture is a software.
Oh, okay, sir.
Like you have bridge, right? This one, Quixel
Yes,
bridge.
sir.
Similarly, there's another software called Quixel mixer. It's a
Oh, okay, sir. Okay,
software. It's a
sir.
software, so you can use it. It's super easy. So it's kind of substance, but substance have more control. So mixture have less control, but gives you amazing quality output. Like
Okay,
it,
sir. Okay,
like
sir.
especially like what I'm planning for few parts, we'll create it this thing, what do you call it, trim sheet. So in that case, Quixel mixture will play a huge role, and we can create amazing quality this thing, what do you call it, this map, what is this map called, uh, trim sheet we can create within mixture, and it will be super high quality. So because it's all scans, texture, normal, ambient occlusion, roughness, everything is already there. We just have to tweak it.
Okay, sir. And sir, one more doubt is with the interiors,
Hmm.
like it's there in the reference picture that I've sent you.
Yes.
The, sir, you look at the flooring on the second, like the bottom two images.
Hmm. It's a bit glossy.
So yes, sir, it's glossy, but then it like it doesn't seem to be repeating, sir. So should I make the whole like 3, 4 sets of floorboards?
For this, what we can do is we can create like one section to two, three
Hmm.
variation and tile it. That will be like really easy and nice.
Okay. And sir, should it be like one single plane and then I extrude the wooden boards out, or should I make separate pieces?
No, you can keep it as a plane. That's fine. Just plain. No need to add mesh deformation. You can keep this thing,
Oh,
this horizontal, this thing separate, and this can be a plane.
hmm,
And all this depth and all this thing you can see, it will be generated with the help of normal. Because in engine, normal reacts entirely differently. Okay, I'll just show you something.
okay.
Suppose this is my this is my blocking, right? So there is no
Yes, sir.
texture, nothing. So let's I'll open bridge. Signed in, and okay, local, I guess I have deleted everything. So let's go to surface. It's more of a like historical, it's more of a like rocky surface something, right? So I'll just check something historical or something.
Sir,
Hmm?
it's wooden boards, right?
No, that's in your scene. In my scene, it's rock or
Okay, okay, sir.
I'm just showing like wood. Suppose okay, okay, let's see wooden board. Wood.
Okay, sir.
So you see, we have all kind of wooden surface here, all kind of details.
Yes, sir.
So let's see. uh, of design patterns, rough. Oh, something like this, right? Color is of something like this. So suppose this is my
Yes, sir.
this thing. So I'll just export, change export setting to, because I was using Maya, so I change it. Engine, everything is installed. Back and 4K. Okay, 4K is fine. Download. Done. And just like I just click export. So you can see instantly in Unreal it's showing import because this plugin is already loaded. So it will import everything.
Yes, sir.
And it will open that folder. Okay, where is my folder? Now you can see, like, I don't know, it usually open that Megascan folder for you, but I don't know why it didn't do that. Megascan, surface. Oh, it's already there, basically, actually. It's already there. So it will open this thing. Just select this. And I want to apply this section here, suppose. So I'll open my model. Never apply any texture in your level directly until now, unless you're
Yes.
creating a variation. So select this and select this one. This is already an instance. You can read it. Material instance. Select and apply it here. So you can see, like, because this is stretched and because I haven't UV'd anything, so it's my model is
Yes, sir.
stretched. And if I want, I can like UV it in Unreal, but that is not the right way of doing it. So I'll create this, and now I can see my entire thing. You can see everything is
Yes, sir.
visible here, right? Now, suppose I
Yes, sir.
want to add those details, so I'll double click and open it, like make it like dense, like it's right now not that dense. And here you can see, if I open this material, it have a lot of settings. There's something called tiling, x tiling xy, offset xy. So I'm going to tile xy, maybe 5 by 5. Then you can see, okay, light. That's correct only. Where is the post process? Oh, I don't have a post process. Okay, just give me a second. So I'll apply a post process here. Exposure, make sure both are like 1 1, and extend it infinitely. This is my actual shading of my scene. Okay, so now you can see, like, based on the normal, it generates all shadow and highlight. This is a flat plane. There's nothing is there. There is no
Yes,
geometry,
sir.
nothing is there. So it give you very nice illusion. And plus, I suppose I want to modify something, like make it little stronger. You can see normal, detail, strength. I can make it strong, should work. Increase, decrease, or I can increase normal strength overall. See,
Yes, sir.
like,
Sir, but वो उसमें तो सारे planks they're looking like separate. So that we'll achieve in texturing.
yeah, that will achieve in texturing. Yes.
Okay, sir.
Sir,
So
what about plants?
plants will create in speed tree. Speed tree, I guess I have shown you. No, not yet, right?
No, sir.
Okay. So
No,
like
sir.
we'll touch speed tree and we will create this entire thing. I'll just give you a like I'll show you this thing, speed tree. It's a separate software. Where is my speed?
Sir, एक और doubt है last.
Hmm.
Sir, if like if when we are using modular assets,
Hmm.
sir, whatever texture we apply to one will apply to all, right?
Come again. Like what? What?
Sir, हम जो like I'm using one set of wooden planks
Hmm.
and I'm using it at multiple places.
Hmm.
Sir, so sir, if I want to put some moss on one part of it, will it apply to all the places that it is placed in?
No, like that's what we will create a blend material. We will create a blend material. Like suppose okay, basically, okay, I'll just show this quickly.
Sir, but model तो same ही है ना हर
हाँ,
जगह.
कोई issue नहीं इसका, कोई issue नहीं. Let's see. Suppose this is my this wooden plank, that this thing, right? So let me apply this here, and I can see tiling was really dense.